Hey, welcome back. This is me, Travel Guy. In today's video we are going to learn magnifying effect, how you will create it in After Effects and you can use it in your every video as a template. So just let me show you. Welcome back to After Effects. So you can make your first comp here as always. So just 9020 by 1080. Let us bring it here, and now just resize and whatever we want, so we can do it. Okay, second thing, you have to make one adjustment layer. Now do it small, rename it transform. Okay, so now just control space transform. If you don't have this plugin, just watch in my videos and you will find it in the playlist. Otherwise you can use it, the uplink which is given in the video. So now just here you can see the scale is already 100, so you can do it 150. So now this is good. Let me create one solid, and now just great. Okay, so now it is good, it is okay. Width and height like 100, so it is good. Okay, now I have this transform effect, so let me create it and the mask for this. And just you can open this ellipse tool, circle tool, so you can draw your circle with shift. Okay, you don't press shift, so you can make it any shape. So if you press shift, so you can just do it circle. Okay, pure circle. So now just let us bring this mask around here. Select these both and press P. So now just the position of this adjustment here, then close again, open it, so you can see the transform is already connected. Now transform effect is not connected. Just connect these both values, anchor point and position, with this, and then close it again. Now just control space and bulge effect. So now bulge effect you can create it, so you can make it like this. Okay, then you can create like this. Okay, so now just place these both here. You can see now the bulge is too much, so I just want 0.3, so it is good, or maybe 4 is good. Now you have to press it, just open this, sorry, position, and here in the adjustment layer you can select any effect like the bulge, the center, and connect it with position. Okay, so now it is connected. Okay, this is moved, that's why that is not good. Now first of all you should place your anchor here. Now just press this bulge effect and connect with this position. So now it is correct place. So this is the problem, you can make it. Now you have this position, you can move it anywhere. Now we have one more effect, which is CHR, so we are comment. So this effect is much needed. So now you can fix the values by just 1.5, 0.3 and 0.3. Now this is the good effect. Now you can create this in every video you can use it, make it big, so it is your wish. Now just like scale it up, scale it down, so it is your own. Okay, so now the other values will be changed automatically. So now I want to write some text. If I want to review it, like travel guy 770. Okay, so now just make it little bit guy. But one thing you must notice, that if the text is up then this, so you cannot use it. Okay, if the text is down below with like these two are up, so you can use it as an magnifying effect. So you can see this effect is going to work really good. So now I want to save it as a template, so I will delete these all. So these two layers are there, so let me first of all just make this in one comp, sorry, and delete the solid, as well as I will make it one folder and magnifying glass effect. Okay, so now I want to save this one in the folder, just Control Shift S, so you can use it in your video wherever you want it. Like I want to say I already saved it here, so that's why. So you can use it in any video, this magnifying glass effect. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends, so it will really mean to me and help you a lot. Thanks, have a great day, bye.